Oh, hey, I'm Luke. You know me. You like me very much. I'm the guy that makes all the stuff. You know, the photos and the videos and the websites and, well, I bet you didn't know, I'm also a chef. That's right. Here in my RV here, I make food for myself. And today, on this installment of Cooking with Luke, we're gonna make pork carnitas. You might not know what that is. Carnitas. 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 I learned about pork carnitas from my buddy Taco Jerry over at the truck stop. One day he was at a carne asada and he said, "Would you like carnitas?" And I said, "Yes, I would very much. Thank you, Jerry." And those were the most delicious tacos I've ever had. So I decided I was going to come back home and learn how to make them for myself in an Instant Pot. And that's just what we're going to do today. So follow along with me. It's going to be awesome. So where do we begin? Well, the first step in excellent carnitas comes from a big piece of meat. So let's see what we got here. Ah, look at that. That's a big piece of meat. There's a bone in it. I don't know how we're gonna handle the bone, but this is from Rafter M Meats. I'm sure he's a swell guy. And it's a giant pork shoulder. It doesn't tell me how much this weighs, how many ounces it is, but we're gonna figure that out. Let's see what we can do. I don't really know if this is the correct tool for the job, but let's see if it works. So yeah, we're gonna zero that thing out, and is this gonna work? It says 0-LD. I don't think it's gonna work. But you know what? We don't care how much it weighs. It's a shitload of meat. Now we get the Instant Pot. Voila. Fire this thing up. Boom. We're gonna unwrap this giant pork shoulder. Hold on, hold please, we need a knife. Here we go. Slice it up. Come on, you son of a... There we go. It's so meaty. Yes. All right. We're gonna put this in the old Instant Pot. Boom. Season the meat with this sea salt. I don't use salt very often, but when I do, I grind it myself. Oh, that's the salt. What comes next, you might ask? You guessed it, the pepper. Most people would stop here, but I'm not most people. Oh, the secret ingredient. Let's just dump that all over there. Yeah, give it a dusting. Mash that all in. It's good and slimy. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Dusting with the cinnamon, it smells so good. Yeah. Oh, you like that? Yeah, you like that. You really like that. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Oh, we don't go light on the cinnamon. Yeah. Boom. Give it a nice little rub down, a little massage. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah, and then we don't touch the camera. We wash our hands. There we go. Now we add a little bit of orange juice, except I couldn't find orange juice, so I got this Tampico, which sounds Mexican, I guess. Don't yell at me if I'm wrong. It smells like Sunny D, so we're gonna just Sunny D the out of it. Yeah, so saucy. Tampico. And this is it. We're gonna cook this for an hour and 45 minutes in the pressure cooker under high pressure and see what happens. Now it's done. We release the steam. Release the steam. Yup. Open up the beach. Look at that. This is it. It's time to tear it up. Okay, now the pork is pulled. It's time to crisp this up in the broiler. I don't have a broiler, but I think that means just hot in the oven. So let's fire up the oven here. Come on. You can do it. Oh, come on. There we go. We'll let this heat up to... Oh, it went out. Okay, I went outside. I switched the propane tank. Now the oven should turn on. Boom. 500 degrees. We're going to let that heat up. Then we're going to crisp this in the oven. Now, I think I'm supposed to put cane sugar, Mexican Coke on this, but I don't have any of that. So I'm going to put some chicken broth because I do have some chicken broth. And that should keep it from getting all dried out while it crisps up. I think that's what perplexity.ai says. So let's dump a little bit of this on here. Kind of want this. Yeah, there we go. Oh, let's get a little bit of this action going on. Oh, so tasty. Oh, it's time. Yeah. Carnitas.